Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do 3D sublimation on 20-ounce skinny tumblers using the new HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press machine. And for this project, we're going to use a printer with sublimation ink. I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. Sublimation paper. 3D designs for sublimation. A graphic design program to work with the designs. I'm going to be using the free graphic design program Inkscape, tumbler blanks, heat-resistant gloves and tape. And to press the tumblers, we're going to need either an oven or a tumbler press. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using my new HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press machine. With this new HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Press machine, you will be able to sublimate ceramic cups, stainless steel tumblers, glass tumblers, and more. And with just one click, it will automatically press your tumblers or mugs. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. It comes with a pair of heat-resistant gloves and a heat tape. I'm going to link all of the supplies and templates used in this tutorial in the video description below. And I'm going to start working with the design. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. To work with the design templates, I like to use the free graphic design program Inkscape. These are the templates that I will be using to do the 3D sublimation on tumblers. The first 6 templates are from Creative Fabrica and the last 2 are from my blog. I'm going to link them in the video description below. Before I start printing, I would like to explain which designs are better to obtain a seamless sublimation. For example, the first design is beautiful. I love it. But unfortunately, with this template, we will obtain a very defined seam, since this one has one side darker than the other one. Also, the design has some missing parts on the left and right side. And the same with the last 3 on the top. Now, the best design for seamless sublimation are the ones that have the same color and shade on the left and the right side. For example, on this design, this glitter line on the right is the continuation on the glitter line on the left. On the second design, you can tell that the rose on the right is cut in half. But if you see on the left side, there is the other half of the rose. Same with the leaves. The leaves are cut on the right, but we will see the continuation on the left. So when pressing, we will have a perfect union with no seam. Now I'm going to go ahead and print the templates. I'm going to print a seamless template and a regular template, so you see the difference. Another aspect that we need to consider in order to have a seamless sublimation is to print the template with the exact measurements. For example, the measurements to sublimate a 20-ounce skinny tumbler is 9.3 by 8.2 inches. To make sure you have the right measurements, select the template, go to the size bar above, change it from millimeters to inches, click the lock to unlock it, and type the measurements, 9.3 by 8.2 inches, and close the lock. Now that we have the right measurements, click on File, Print, select the sublimation printer, click on More Settings, and here on Paper Type, we're going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On Quality, select High. If your printer has this option, select Print Preview, go to More Options, and here is very important to select Mirror Image. Click OK, then Print. To print my sublimation designs, I use my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. And here are the templates already printed. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut them using scissors or a guillotine. Now I'm going to wrap the skinny tumblers. I'm going to use heat-resistant tape. They are ready to be pressed, but before I'm going to show you how to set up the auto heat press. Turn it on. First, I'm going to set up the temperature. Click on the thermometer and adjust the temperature. I'm going to press these tumblers at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Now click on the clock to set up the time. I'm going to press them for 60 seconds. Place the tumbler and press on the start button, the one with the R, and the machine will automatically press it. If the press covers the entire tumbler, press it only once. The first sublimation is ready. Now, if the press doesn't cover the entire tumbler, you need to press it twice. Press it for 60 seconds, then rotate it and press it for another 60 seconds. Let them cool down before removing the wrap. Let's reveal the design. It's pretty. Look, this one doesn't even have the seam. It's perfect. I love it. Now I'm going to show you the other one. This one have a seam, but other than that, it looks beautiful. I love this 3D lotus flower. If you wish, you can also add names to the design. Remember, I'm going to link these templates in the video description below. They are from Creative Fabrica. They have a lot of beautiful 3D designs. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to do 3D sublimation on skinny tumblers. Remember to check the description below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies and templates used in this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.